This is MacBook motherboard. This is 11-inch MacBook motherboard. This MacBook has come to me for repair. Problem is no power. When we connect DC power supply, it's taken 280 to 280 to 0.22 amp. This is indicate that there is something shorting inside this board. When we put this board in the ultrasonic, no ultrasonic, it is this is our thermal camera. See, there is a 70-degree heating this IC. This is a memory IC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of memory 1 IC. Memory IC is shorted, and this side also little bit heat, but this is memory controller IC. See here, this is one of the IC is shorted, and this is a controller of memory. Maybe this IC is also short and memory controller also short. We have to replace all the section. Let's replace and check what happened. we replace this for all bad memories with our donor board. We use our donor board for replacing memory. We revolved old memories and replace it, as well as we replace, see, this is a memory controller, as well as we replace memory controller IC TPS 51916, and this dual MOSFET also Q7430. This is a 58873. Both whole section of memory controller IC, dual MOSFET for all ICs. We replace both all of this. Now we connect DC power supply, and we have to on. We on DC power supply. Power supply is on. Taken an amp. Before it's taken 282, and system lots of ICs heating. Now see, taken an amp, and this need to display also coming, my pen drive light blinking, and this case study of this MacBook Air 1466 is now complete. This MacBook is ready and rejected from MacBook service center as well as the local engineer, because lots of work in this MacBook. We repair this MacBook. Thank you.